Water shortage reminder appears in smart watering mode. Solution: add water. Sensor is disconnected, reminder appears. Solution: insert the sensor. PS, don't plug the sensor backwards. Watering normally. Pinching the water pipe means that the water pipe is blocked. The water pipe blockage reminder appears. Solution: 1. Check whether the water can flow through pipe. If not, clean the water outlet with a needle. 2. Check whether the water pipe is squeezed by heavy objects and remove it. Decide locked when the above abnormal reminders appear more than 3 times. Solution: after troubleshooting, press the unlock button shortly to unlock and it can be used normally now.